flowers and ooh, hello, Westinghouse. Nice. Nice. Look at this. AE. Looks like it's gonna be this one. Nice. Oh, it's got the bumper. Whoa. Whoa. Well then, this is cool. Nice. Oh my goodness. I struck gold here. That's so awesome. Oh, okay, leave without me. Wow. Well, that's a fat rip. I guess we'll look around. Ooh, Westinghouse water fountain. Westy water, yum. Here's the MPE. Oh, hello. So, it was literally open and I still called it. And it closed on me. Oh man, this is awesome. There's your mail chute. Imperial. Here we go. Oh, there might be someone in there. Oh, sorry. Oh,
One?
oh yeah, one.
Come on.
Sorry, I'm just into elevators. Oh, I'm going to G.
Oh, gee.
Sorry about that. Oh, that snow came out of nowhere. I'll get out.
I'm just in the green coat.
Oh, gotcha. I'll let you
This
out.
one, yeah. All right, thank you.
No problem. Have a good day.
Beautiful.